That's a major blow. And it had to be a great delivery to get rid of Rahul Dravid. It turned out to be exactly that.
A huge wicket. Just what the doctor ordered for Pakistan to feel good about themselves. They've got rid of the danger man Rahul Dravid. And really superb. He bowls a beautiful line just around that off stump, 6-8 inches outside it. The ball moved away off the seam. We've seen him do it before. He beat Rahul Dravid on the previous occasion. This time he found the edge. And isn't he happy? Big breakthrough for Pakistan. Dravid gone for 3. India 9 for 1.
Bowled him. Excellent deliveries. That's the line we're talking about again. Another wicket for Pakistan.
What a terrific delivery. This is exactly what we're talking about. He's bowling patiently. He's bowling within himself, keeping it around that off stump and hoping that it gets some movement off the seam. Take a look at this one. Off the seam. Oh, goodness me. That was an absolutely unplayable delivery. By the time the bat came down, it had darted in and struck the stumps. What a delivery.
Pad first, one field, and he's given. Big wicket. I thought he got a long way forward, Aaron, but it's definitely pad first. Oh, huge blow for India.
Well, it certainly was pad first. Now, there is the problem. Now, let's take a look whether he hit it first or not. No, he doesn't. It is going to hit middle. Well, pitched in line, going on to hit middle. Couldn't get the pad out of line. You got to question the wisdom of that bat and pad so close together and the bat behind the pad. Didn't let that go. Disappointed Yuvraj goes for 45. India now in trouble again. 165 for 6.
And out. That will be the end of the innings. Well bowled, Mohammad Asif. You can stand tall here because you bowl beautifully. Picks up his 4th wicket. And his skipper gives him a huge hug. Well bowled. And they've got a lead of 7 runs, India. Sorry, Pakistan.
Big effort from the young fast bowler, Mohammad Asif. In his 20th over, it's been warm conditions, still bending his back. Zair Khan got in 2 minds, wasn't expecting the bouncer again. He's trying to sway and fend it at the same time. Gets a glove to it and a straightforward catch. And Kamran Akmal is also having a wonderful match. This man will remember this innings for a long time. Mohammad Asif has come of age and splendid figures. 4 for 78. Must be a happy man.
Bowled! Wow, what a start! Pakistan is on top in Karachi.
Well, this is absolutely fantastic bowling. Not so much this delivery as the first one. That's what caused the worries. Got the ball to swing away, and then this one just held its line. Coming in as well a little bit. Sehwag just not up to the task. Terrific. Unbelievable beginning for Pakistan, and this youngster is struck again. The danger of Sehwag gone for 4. India 8 for 2.
Oh, bowled him with a brilliant delivery. He's done it again. Would you believe it? It's Mohammad Asif who knocks the middle stump over. And with that middle stump, also dents Indian hopes.
This kid is a special bowler. The way he's released the ball, it's nipped back again, and it's knocked him over again. Laxman's got no idea how to play. Look how far that stump's back. It's nearly impaled Kamran Akmal. Big, huge wicket. Massive wicket. VVS Laxman goes back home. He's gone for 21. India, all sorts of trouble. 63 for 3.
Got him. Kept perhaps a bit low, but that's the end of Sachin Tendulkar.
Well. 3 top-order batsmen all bowled. Mohammad Asif is on fire. Pakistan want to make a meal of it just today. Want to end it now. They're in a hurry. On the seam, didn't do very much, did keep a little low. But maybe he should have been on the front foot. We'll just take a look when we come back. But Sachin Tendulkar gone. India in deep trouble. 74 for 4, 26 for Tendulkar.